Good day, everyone. I'm Aaron Veloria.
And I'm Kurt MJ Casople. We are aspiring to become a future police officer.
Today, we're going to talk about the steps we follow when someone dies in a road crash. First, we secure the scene. That means setting up phones or tape to keep people and cars away so no one gets hurt and nothing gets disturbed.
Mahalaga na protektado ang lugar ng insidente para hindi maapektuhan ang ebidensya.
Next, we call for medical assistance right away. Even if it looks like someone has passed, doctors need to check.
Kung hindi pa sigurado kung patay na ang biktima, kailangan agad tumawag ng medical responder or rescue team para maibigay ang first aid or magpreserba ng buhay.
Then, we make sure that it's confirmed. Only a medical professional can do this officially.
Kapag dumating ang medical personnel at dineklarang disease ang biktima, doon pa lamang ito ituturing bilang fatal road crash incident. Hindi trabaho ng pulis magdeklara ng pagkamatay. Trabaho ito ng doktor o medical professional.
After that, we preserve evidence. We don't move anything like the car, skid marks, or personal items. This helps us figure out what happened.
Bilang pulis, kailangan protektahan ang lahat ng ebidensya tulad ng skid marks, debris, posisyon ng katawan at sasakyan. Bawal gawin ang anumang bagay sa crime scene.
We also do documentation and photography. We write down details and take pictures of the scene, cars, and any evidence.
Kailangan kunan ng litrato at video ang buong lugar at lahat ng relevant details bago ito gawin. Lahat ay dapat dokumentado ng malinaw at tumpak.
Next, we start the investigation. We talk to witnesses, take statements, and note down everything we see.
Kausapin ng mga witnesses, kunin ang kanilang statement at alamin kung may kasamang violation tulad ng reckless driving or hit and run. Kailangan alamin natin paano nangyari at sino ang may pananagutan.
Then, we work with SOCO, that's the scene of the crime operation. They are experts who help collect and analyze evidence.
Kung may posibilidad ng foul play, halimbawa, intentional hit, kailangan nang tawagin ang SOCO para mas malalim na forensic investigation.
Once that's done, we turn over the body to funeral services so the family can start making arrangements.
Tatanggapin ng funeral ang katawan ng namatay kasama ang proper documentation at authority to transfer remains galing sa mga pulis.
Finally, we write a report. This sums up everything that happened for official records.
Kailangan gumawa ng police blotter entry at traffic accident report kasama ang lahat ng findings, larawan, ebidensya at testimonya. Bilang future police officer, responsibilidad natin tiyakin ang katotohanan ay makuha at ang hustisya ay mabigay habang nirerespeto ang dignidad ng namatay.
These steps make sure the situation is handled safely, fairly, and with respect for the person who passed and for their family. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Once again, I'm Aaron Veloria.
And I'm Kurt MJ Casople from B Scream 4 Block 7.
Thank you and good day.